My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Whiteboard New Tab. This is a special extension for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension advertise it as your own personal whiteboard in every new tab. Maybe this feature is good for some people, but the trouble is that this extension actually operates as a browser hijacker because it changes your default search engine. In every new tab, whenever you try to submit some search queries, you would notice that the results would be delivered by some other search engines, not the ones that have been chosen by you. So that's all happening because of this Whiteboard New Tab extension. If you are not happy with such amendments into the way your browser operates, you should get rid of this extension by accessing the menu, More Tools, Extensions, and then disable and remove this extension from your Google Chrome. I also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start carefully researching your system with its help to identify and remove other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.